Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aditya Maurya, currently pursuing BE in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My library number is 23CA1736. I'm currently in the first semester, section Dev. Today we'll be discussing a small topic in waste management. So the course code is BETCK205F and the course title is Waste Management. Today I've chosen the topic e-waste management in India. So in this topic we'll be understanding how much of waste is being generated in India, what is the composition of the waste, and how is it being treated in the country of India. So let's get to the contents of the entire video. First we'll have the abstract, we'll understand the basic knowledge, basic preview of the entire video. Introduction to the video, introduction of the topic, inventory of electronic waste, what all the electronic waste composes of, what is the composition of the electronic waste, and the city-wise electronic waste generation in India, legislative measures, e-cycle recycling practices in India, how is it being treated, how is the waste being treated in India, is it formally or non-formally. We'll discuss both of them, both formal and informal, and finally we'll come to the conclusion. So let's get started with the abstract. Electronic waste, also e-waste, is one of the fastest growing waste streams in the country. Faster obsolescence and subsequent upgradation of electronic products are forcing consumers to discard old products, which in turn accumulate huge e-waste to the solid waste stream. Electronic waste growing in India at the rate of 10%. Major recycling of e-waste is carried out in the non-formal sectors using primitive and hazardous methods. Adequate legislative measures and cost-effective, environmental friendly and technological solution would be needed to address the issue. Next we'll have the introduction. The discarded and end-of-life electronic products. End-of-life and discarded. Discarded and end-of-life electronic products ranging from computers, equipment used in information and communication technology, home appliances, audio and video products, and all of their peripherals are popularly known as e-waste or the electronic waste. The recycling process, if not carried out properly, can cause damage to the human through inhalation of gases during recycling, contact of the skin of the workers with hazardous substances, and contact during acid treatment used in recovery process. The hazardous and toxic substances found in e-waste include PB, that is lead, CD, that is cadmium, and PCBs of the printed circuit boards. So let's go to the next one. What is the inventory of the electronic waste? Actual data of on generation or import of e-waste is not currently available in India. Several studies have been concluded by various agencies to find out the inventory of e-waste in the country. Most of these studies are based on the model of obsolescence of electronic products, which needs to be validated with the field data. The survey was carried out by the Central Pollution Control Board CPCB during 2005. It was estimated that 1.347 lakh metric ton of e-waste was generated in the country in year 2005, which is expected to increase to 8 lakhs MT by 2012, 8 lakhs metric ton by 2012. Next, this is the graph. As you can see, the growing starting here, it was this much, 2009, 2011, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, and this is the expected. 25 is the expected one. This is how you can see that it increased, gradual increase in the graph of it. And now let's come to the city-wise electronic waste generation in India. In India, among 10 cities, Mumbai ranks first. Mumbai is the first one, followed by Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Pune, Surat, and Nagpur. These are the cities in India which contribute majorly to the production of the or generation of the waste, e-waste. Okay, so let's see. This is a simple pie chart portraying the e-waste generation in the entire country of India. Karnataka, as you can see, 8.9%, Gujarat 8.8, Madhya Pradesh 7.6, Maharashtra 19.8, the highest. Yeah, Tamil Nadu 13, Andhra Pradesh 12, Uttar Pradesh 10, West Bengal 9.8 and Delhi 9.5. This is the pie chart showing the e-waste generation in India. What are the measures taken? What are the legislative measures taken? Most of the Environmental and Forest, Ministry of Environment and Forests, Government of India is nodal agency for policy, planning, promoting and coordinating the environmental program including electronic waste. The management of e-waste was covered under the Environment and Forest Hazardous Waste Management and Handling Rules 2008, an exclusive notification of e-waste management and handling rules 2010 under the Environment Protection Act 1986 has been notified on 12th May 2001 to address safe and environmental friendly handling, transporting, storing, recycling of e-waste and also to reduce the use of hazardous substances during manufacturing of electronic equipments. Next, electronic waste recycling practices in India. First, we go with the non-formal sector. 95% of e-waste in India is being recycled in non-formal sector and 5% of e-waste volumes are handled in the formal sector. 95% is non-formal and just 5% is formal. In and around of metropolitan cities in India, there are over 3,000 units engaged in non-formal sector for e-waste recycling. Non-formal units of e-waste recyclers are distributed all over India. A large cluster of industries are in Delhi, Tamil Nadu, UP, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, and Rajasthan. Non-formal units generally follow the steps such as collection of the e-waste from the rack pickers, assembly of the products for their usable parts, components, modules which are having resale value. The rest of the material is chemically treated to recover precious metals. Due to inadequate means, it may cause leaching of hazardous substances to the air, soil and water. This recycling method has low efficiency and recovery is carried out only for valuable metals like gold, silver, aluminium, copper, etc. Other materials such as tantalum, cadmium, zinc, palladium could not be recovered. Let's come to the formal sector. New formal recyclers are operating in India. The processes followed in formal sector are mainly limited to the segregation, dismantling of the e-waste till the size reduction stage of printed circuit boards (PCBs). A shredder is employed for the PCB size reduction. The pre-processed PCB is exported to smelting refiners in developed countries for further recovery of precious metals like copper, silver, gold, aluminium, palladium, tantalum, ruthenium, platinum, etc. and also treating the slag byproduct in an eco-friendly manner. This is what happening in the formal sector, whereas in the informal sector there was no proper treatment. The end-to-end solution of e-waste recycling in India is not available. Now let's come to the conclusion of the entire video. Most of the e-waste is recycled in India in unorganized units, which engage a significant number of manpower. Recovery of metals from PCBs by primitive means is most hazardous act. Proper education, awareness and most importantly, alternative cost-effective technology need to be provided so that better means can be provided to those who earn the livelihood from this. A holistic approach is needed to address the challenges faced by e-waste management in India, faced by India in e-waste management. A suitable mechanism needs to be evolved to include small units in unorganized sector and large units in organized sector into a single value chain. One approach could be for units in unorganized sector to concentrate on collection, dismantling, segregation, whereas the metal extraction, recycling and disposal could be done by the organized sector. Okay, so we come to the end of the video where we understood what is e-waste and the different generation of e-waste, how is it being generated, how is it being treated both formally and informally. We also understood the composition of the e-waste, how hazardous it is it to the nature and also to the humankind. So I hope you liked the video. If you understood, please make sure you like the video and do comment and share the video. Thank you.